Kini kedai Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat biddor.
Kini gilong kijing pentip kibedai bat u COVID-19 hapo kejela kejongi mentah kesini 3 Oktober Arhajar Arfo ki kes ki bathamai ki bagiyo mentah kesini kilong shispa Arfulai iway na East Garo Hills iway na po East Giante Hills New Khandai hapo East Khasi Hills Lai hapo North Garo Hills Phra hapo Ribhoi Khatsao hapo South Garo Hills Nriu hapo South West Khasi Hills New hapo West Garo Hills Lai hapo West Giante Hills but Iway hapo West Khasi Hills Kikis kibalong active mentah kilong Barok kelum lang kilong Arhajar Lai Spa Nriu Khandai Shihajar Nriu Spa Nyofo kidan hapo East Khasi Hills Life Nriu gede na po ki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces but Shihajar Nriu Spa Life Usao na kiwe Nriu gidan hapo West Khasi Hills Arfulai hapo South West Khasi Hills Arspa Khandai Puar hapo Ribhoi South San gidan hapo kide gid na po ki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces but Arspa Safunyo kide na kiwe West Giante Hills South Fusao East Giante Hills Life Nriu West Garo Hills Shispa Khandai Fo South Huay kide ki Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces but Shispa South Khandai kide na kiwe Southwest Garo Hills South Huay South Garo Hills Arfunriu East Garo Hills Arfo North Garo Hills Arfuay Kiba la recover mentah kasi kiba thamai gilong Shispa Life Ufra but Sao kide na po East Giante Hills Shispa R kide na po East Khasi Hills Phra kide na Ribhoi Iway na South Garo Hills Khandriu na West Garo Hills Iway na po West Giante Hills but Nriu na po West Khasi Hills Baru kibala recover mentah kelum lang kilong Sao Hajar Praspa Laifu R but kiba khlat no kilong Nrifo kidon gajing duna jeng ki case hapo Ribhoi namar Arfunyo ngut ki active case kila let phai pat chapo Assam na po Ribhoi district baru ki test ki bang ilale hadu mentah kasi arbaji menski kilong Shihajar Shilap Nrifunyo Hajar Haspa Nrifusan ki test negatif kilong Shilap Nrifu Hajar Sao ki test kiba ngile menen kasi nyau tarik kilong Arhajar Laispa Frafuar bat kibriu kibarung chapo kajela kajongi hadu arbaje mensingi mentah kasi gilong South San Hajar Arspa San ki kes Shispa Arfulaingut kibangiyo kibatmai ke break up kalong kumne East Garo Hills Iway ide high risk case East Giante Hills Iway ide high risk case East Khasi Hills New Khandai napo nakini ki New Khandai San gide napo Bishnupur cluster Iway di health worker Iway napo Gulf Links cluster ki high risk gide Sanfulai ILI case R Jaya cluster R Laban cluster Iway Madan Riting cluster Lai Maukhar cluster Iway Maulai Nonglom cluster Iway Maupram cluster Iway Oakland cluster Iway Police Iway Pulo cluster Iway Rinja cluster Lai Umpling cluster R North Garo Hills lie, health worker Iway, high risk R. Ribhoi Fra, high risk New, returnee Iway. South Garo Hills Katsao, Baro Kidiki high risk. Southwest Khasi Hills Nriu, Kidiki high risk. West Garo Hills New, health worker Iway, high risk lie, ILI case Iway, returnee R. West Giant Hills lie, returnee Iway, high risk R. West Khasi Hills Iway, they high risk. Ang matay kikir la ki matay minister la adap kan fi halor kani. Hai la adap ai ketuk update ru. Idon Iway belum positif hai na po basta hai yung jungi. Ikun jungi matay kata anum kran palat syu namai la adap ong mai. Mo takada kila declare ketuk micro containment so. Kebami ke khbor tu tu ong ba ketu ba ke government ka suwes ka expenditure balik ye gitu kita sapo apa ki entry point. This no this is very, I'll make it this very clear. See, when that statement came out yesterday, I was thinking that the learned director of NEGRIMS would have realized his folly and would have given a statement, a correct statement today, if he has been told to give any statement in the press with matters relating to the state government, which he does not have any mandate to make such statements. He is not inside the government circle here in the state government. He has no mandate. I thought that he will realize that folly and retract that statement today, but I think it never came out, that statement. Now, one have to clearly understand. It is not antibody testing that we are doing at the entry point. That is long gone. One should realize that what we are doing now is the antigen testing. And when we say antigen, it is not that we are looking after we are looking after antibodies when we test anybody. We are looking after the antigen that comes direct from the virus. And so far at the entry points, I think we have done a lot, about more than 17,000 tests, antigen tests for entrance. That we started right from 13th of August. This is antigen, not antibody. But I think I saw in the statement he said that when we do the tests, antibodies appear very late. That is very correct, but we are not testing antibodies, we are testing antigen. So once again, I will say that we are doing antigen. And the protocol is very clear for us. And this is also a screening test which is specific, which is sensitive, which is fast, and people get their reports immediately. And the protocol is very, very clear. Kalong very clear protocol. When people come in, we test with antigen. If they are negative, we are telling them to isolate. Now, I have told many times that people have to be responsible. When we tell them to isolate, quarantine means we tell them to quarantine for 10 days. With an advice, and of course, follow-up is always there from the health department for these people who enter the state, that if there are any symptoms, they are to report immediately. And people with symptoms, who come later with symptoms, after testing with antigen, they are negative, they complain of symptoms, we do with RT-PCR. And with that RT-PCR, which is a golden test, it will confirm whether they are positive or not. Out of the 17,000 entrants who have entered so far, we got about, say, more than 400, about 400 plus, who had symptoms. Okay? Tested with RT-PCR and they were found to be positive. And accordingly, through the protocols, we follow up these particular patients. Other patients, high risk and all, which we have done with antigen, containment zones, then all these clusters which we are doing, more than 68,000. Altogether, both entry and this containment zones, high risk, we have done, I think, more than 70,000. And out of the 68,000 which we have done for others, we have got about 1,600 who had turned out to be positive, 1,600 plus. And accordingly, we have isolated them, provided the treatment wherever treatment is available, and made all the follow-ups. And together now, both entry and these containment zones, clusters, we have tested about more than 71,000. And altogether who have turned out positive here is about 2,000 plus only. And from there we can get a positivity rate of about 3% only. Now, when the director of NIGRIMS has said that we are testing antibodies, that is being refuted. It is not antibodies that we are testing. It is antigen. It is cost effective for us. We follow up with RT-PCR wherever is needed. NIGRIMS also is doing. They are following it up with RT-PCR also. It's the same test. So I think saying that there is a wasteful expenditure, that is totally wrong. And I once again reiterate, he has got no mandate to comment on the policy decision of the state government. And such type of statements which he has given is being lapped up by people who I know very well they know. They are in the know. They think that they are in the know of COVID-19. But at the same time, thriving on negativity. They show that they do not know what they know. And that thriving on that negativity, they lead people to confusion. Instead of enlightening the people about the projection or asking for clarification here when we have the press briefing, some of the people also have gone up and say that this should have been discussed a long time with so many other stakeholders, and again have referred to antibodies. Once again I say that we are not testing antibodies. This is a rapid antigen test. And instead of enlightening, what they have done through the negative statements, they have darkened what is supposed to be enlightened. And that darkening was supposed to bring about confusion. But let me say it very clear that the state government is not in confusion, and nobody can bring about any statements which will lead us to confusion. We are enlightening the people every day through every press briefing about COVID-19. We know that it's a new virus, it's evolving. Yes, previously when we were starting, it was RT-PCR, then we had antibodies at that time, but that is long gone now with antibodies. Antibodies we will do only for people to know the antibody status, whether they have contracted the infection or not. Now once again I will say that we are doing antigen tests. So there is no confusion here, and people should not be confused, should not be misled by anything which is darkening the whole area of COVID. But we would like to appeal to all that enlighten the people. That is our responsibility. Not thrive on negativity, and through negativity you will bring about reports which is a confusion. Now I will say very clearly, the protocols of the state government with regard to entry point, containment zone, cluster, is very clear. We are very clear on here. That is why we could contain so much now, in spite of the search everywhere. We continue with this with the help of all concerned stakeholders, especially the Shnongs, the medical fraternity, the people from the media, mainly here, where you are here, you have been disseminating all the information from our side. We have never said anything which is controversial. If there's anything controversial, so we get it cleared here only. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart that for everything that we have passed on to the media, you have correctly, so far, all those present here, disseminated it properly to the people. And I feel that this should continue. And all this negativity about some people saying this, some people which is, it should be verified. And I think I'll say again, people who know, who pretend that they don't know, and try to bring that know otherwise to other people, that is totally wrong. I think it has been made very clear that the testing will be charged for those who only want to go and test themselves like that voluntarily. High risk cases, cases where they have been sent advice by health department, that will still continue to be free. BPL, okay, when they go for testing, BPL patients, only in public hospitals will be free, not in private hospitals. So what we have seen all along is that people just, for the heck of it, they just go and get themselves tested, which is putting a strain on the testing centers. So now we will test people as per our advice. And those who wish to know only their status, they can do so at the public hospitals or the government or the private hospitals, but on payment. So that reluctancy saying that I will not test because I am supposed to pay, that will not arise for the people of high risk contacts on whom we tell them to test.พี่กันนี่พอบังอีเฟกซิกินิกิเรียสนี่นะดูนุกงบัดkayak macam ya so porong efek sih kan ni nilai pet nilai compare ketiga ICMR rates ke ba ai gitu. Nrai pi haka government khamta mi kini kirit sih ngila ban revise from time to time. Mentang ngila ya wat ngia compare bagi state government te hapor bangi compare bagi ki state bagi government ki kan bat kani khamlong jangai kamlong kum kini ki states ki bayajan but ke mainland India besuk banyak kids ki berkhat nama kini ki one outside from outside northeast te ngin sa revise kini grades kumba ngidai ban revise oh transportation ngin numla banong kading bam yo kids mo ka ba ban yo nomor boros kata kini kids ka ai ka ICMR ngi mo tengi berengi sa distribute check niki public hospitals jungi tagaraw yo in compare siya bagi state government kumo fi bagi state government ingin niya compare siya bagi state government mo ndi village private hospital te village kumtu te kamut kin charge bed even ka MHIS boros kata ba coveru kam cover gitu ke village kumtu mo ndi village po ki government hospital village ki government facility ki bangile apulo yete kam don charge boro kata teman tangin hap charge no